Alright, so today we are gonna go do a little scouting for some squirrels. Due to some construction, we had to go around, I think it's like 1,000 acres. The whole thing to get to some spot. And now, as you can see, there's still houses, but there's public land. I just don't know where to park. Hopefully I come back, my truck's still here. But the goal of today is just find some squirrel spots. So let's go check it out. Alright, well this is what I walked into. Other thing I forgot was a machete. That is one thing I recommend when you're scouting. I mean, technically on public land you're supposed to leave it as is, but this is a little better, opening up. God, I hate ticks. I just saw a blue herring. It was chilling over there. Pretty cool. Just need to find a bunch more of these. Good for them squirrels. I cannot stand people that do this. Alright, one of the things you guys can do when you're looking for squirrels, just sit and listen. But that doesn't work here because we're close to the road, it's kind of windy. Here the cicadas going. But if it's first thing in the morning, not a lot of cars around, just sit and listen. When you hear something that sounds like two quarters rubbing against each other, that's one sign. And just the rustling of the trees, it's another one. That's them moving around. The other one's the thing that sounds like a quarters rubbing. That is them eating. Or if you hear something dropping from the sky, that's them too. So felt like I've been walking for a mile, but as you can see, I've just crossed the field basically through all the deep woods. But I'm tempted to try this for deer. Guess we'll see how the squirrels turn out, how many ticks I get, and yeah, go from there. Yep, this, someone else I guess thinks this is a good hunting spot too. That looks old. Huh. Realized I was walking, check out a spot for deer hunting, but that is not the purpose of this trip. Let me just keep this running. Onward. Back to the truck. Yeah. What is that? If anyone knows, leave a comment below, because I'm really curious. Alright, onward. I don't know what that is. What? I don't even know what that game is called, but there's a game where people hide. I don't know. We're just gonna put that in there. And as I'm kind of murderer, I think that's supposed to be a clue. Let's get out of here. am starting to get angry. And this is my angry voice. Yeah. Even if you know these woods like the back of your hand, and you're out there alone, let your wife, or your mom, or friend, anyone, know the general area that you're going to be in. If you're walking around like this, yeah, it's good to just let them know the piece of land and where you're parking. And if you're going to tree stand, yeah, drop a pin. Alright. This is one of the areas that you're looking for. They're all oak trees, I believe, or the majority of them are. The way you can tell, I'll plug it in right here. It's the leaf for me. I'm pretty sure you can tell by the bark. Maybe I'll plug that in, do some research so I know for next time. And then the other side is for acorns.
These nuts. Got him!
Okay, so I have been out here for a few hours now, having a blast, just being out in nature. See all these trees? It smells good. It's good stuff. So, what have we concluded today? Today's goal was to find some spots to squirrel hunt, and I believe we've done that. Found a few. Was for next week. Next Saturday, opening of squirrel season. Hopefully, you know what? I have like 4 different videos kind of in process. Let's make this the first one, because I think it was good. Yeah. And if you liked it, please like my channel and this video. Down below, I guess that's what they say. I haven't made a YouTube video yet. So, down below. Or over here. I don't know. Wherever the subscribe button is, hit that stuff. Because my phone is working, but I have about 5 minutes worth of space. And the wifey said if I have 10 subscribers, then I can get a GoPro, which would be awesome. Especially when it comes time to hunting and fishing and getting out there, I can actually show you some live action, like the Turtle Man. But at this point, it's all handheld. I did get a chest mount for the phone, and we'll see how that works. It's supposed to be here today, so maybe I'll take that kayak. I'm really mumbling right now, but that's cool. So we're going to end this. This is my first video, and please like my channel. And if I already have more than 10 people subscribing, that means there's at least 10 people that find me interesting enough for them to watch and keep watching. So you might like it too. Alright, we're back home, and I'm going to start making some videos for you guys. So, thanks for watching. I'm going to try to be more lively, but it's kind of weird right now because I'm just getting used to this whole talking to the phone thing. So give me a few videos and I'll have a little more personality, because I'm a pretty personable guy. Just a shy boy when you first meet me. And this is like us just first meeting. So once I get to know you a little bit more, my camera, yeah, we will be more enjoyable. So, thanks for watching. Like I said, I need 10 subscribers so I can get a GoPro. Probably still going to use my phone because the Note 8 has a really good camera, both fore and aft. So, that'll just give me more options for you guys and your viewing pleasure. So, I need at least 10. Let's make it more, because obviously, yeah. I'm just rambling now, so, I'd like more than 10. It'd be cool. 10 million would be ideal. Alright, my phone is about dead, so